This pool is awesome! Let's go! Splish, splash, it's pool time. Let's all have a good time. Splish, splash, it's pool time. Swimming is so much fun.
Before we go and hit the pool, first we need to keep it cool. If you wanna have a lot of fun, you need protection from the sun. Do you have sunscreen?
Yes, yes, yes!
Then put it on.
Yes, yes, yes! Splish, splash, it's pool time. Let's all have a good time. Splish, splash, it's pool time. Swimming is so much fun.
Here is something you should know. Floaties can help you float. If you're new to swimming pools, put these on. They look so cool. Do you have your floaties?
Yes, yes, yes!
Wanna get in the pool?
Yes, yes, yes! Splish, splash, it's pool time. Let's all have a good time. Splish, splash, it's pool time. Swimming is so much fun. Yeah!
There's something else you should do. Always have a friend with you. Before you jump into the pool, find a buddy that's really cool. Do you have a friend?
Yes, yes, yes!
Wanna swim with them?
Yes, yes, yes! Splish, splash, it's pool time. Let's all have a good time. Splish, splash, it's pool time. Swimming is so much fun. Yeah!
Swimming can be so much fun, but around the pool, please don't run. We don't want you to slip and fall. And please don't ever dive at all. Should you run around the pool?
No, no, no.
Should you dive right in?
No, no, no. Splish, splash, it's pool time. Let's all have a good time. Splish, splash, it's pool time. Swimming is so much fun.
One more thing you have to see. Part of the pool is very deep. Stay inside the shallow end with your swimming friend. Do you understand?
Yes, yes, yes.
Are you having fun?
Yes, yes, yes. Splish, splash, it's pool time. Let's all have a good time. Splish, splash, it's pool time. Swimming is so much fun.
Okay, everyone, the pool is ready.
Just a minute, Baby John. Before we go to swim in the pool,